downtown Las Vegas, it's always a good time. Entertainment, food, art, and drinks. There's not one place you can't go to have a nice cocktail or meal with family and friends. But did you know that some places you may want to try are not as visible to the naked eye from the street? I'm going to show you 3 hidden bars or speakeasies you probably didn't know about in DTLV. What better way to start the tour than smack dab in the middle of history? That's right, I'm talking about the Mob Museum. Go with me inside to check out the underground Speakeasy and Distillery.
Ah, what's the password?
Come on in to the underground Speakeasy.
This is our bathtub fizz.
Look how cute this is. Not bad. This is actually really good. Oh, love it. Yeah, this is good.
Our second stop brings us to the Fremont East District, where we go to Commonwealth to check out the laundry room, which is a mix of gentleman's lounge meets old world charm. Let's go check it out.
The blue bouncer.
It is delicious. So good. Now let's head up the street and around the corner to Mike Morey's Sip and Tip.
We're making it dark and stormy.
All right, I'm gonna try it. Here we go. Woo! It's strong! I had to stir it in. So that's the end of our tour of hidden bars and speakeasies in DTLV. Head down to the comments and let us know what you thought. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want more fun content like this, check out these videos on your screen.